Welcome back to Vehicles Point, your trusted channel for the latest updates on automobiles. Today we are going to explore the all-new 2025 Hero Electric A.29 bike, a smart, efficient, and eco-friendly machine that's making waves in the electric two-wheeler market. Hero Electric has been a pioneer in India's EV segment, and with the launch of the A.29, they've stepped up their game even further. This futuristic bike is designed for the urban rider who wants a stylish, reliable, and sustainable option without compromising on performance. The 2025 A.29 features a sleek and modern design that catches attention instantly. From its bold LED headlamps to the sporty stance, everything looks premium and advanced. It comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all essential information like battery percentage, speed, range, and ride mode at a glance. Powering the A.29 is a lithium-ion battery that offers a commendable range of around 80–90 kilometers on a single charge. It's perfect for daily city commutes and quick errands. Charging is simple and efficient, with the full charge taking around 4 hours from a standard home socket. The bike is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver through traffic, and the suspension setup ensures a smooth ride even on rough urban roads. Braking is handled by disc brakes on both ends, giving you confidence and safety in all conditions. One of the biggest highlights of the A.29 is its connectivity. Hero has included features like Bluetooth pairing, geofencing, anti-theft alarm, and mobile app support, making it a truly smart EV. For those looking to switch to electric without spending a fortune, the Hero Electric A.29 stands out as an excellent option. It's practical, smart, and environment-friendly, just what we need in 2025. So, if you're considering an electric two-wheeler that offers great value, advanced tech, and reliable performance, the A.29 might be the one for you. Thanks for watching this video on Vehicles Point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles. See you in the next video.